Welcome to Quollab Learning Community's Discord server, and you're watching this video because you must have enrolled in some of the courses offered by a Quollab, and then you realize that in order to use those courses to the fullest, you need to understand this weird thing called Discord, right? And we agree that Discord is really complex and hard to use, but the sort of features and supreme powers that Quollab Learning Community's Discord is going to offer you, this is a must to learn thing. And this is what we're going to do in this video tutorial. We're going to teach to you how to use Quollab Learning Community's Discord server to complete your bootcamps that you have enrolled for Quollab with. So let's begin. When you join the Discord server, this is the place where you come at. You come to the Start Here channels, Start Here text link, and it says welcome to Quollab Learning Community. See, we're really welcoming people. Alright, so in the Start Here channel, you get access to all the necessary information that you need to be comfortable with the server. So you get to know about all the different sections, you get to know about the people who you can reach out to in case of any help, you get to know about different people for different bootcamps, etc. etc. So once you've went through all of this information in the Start Here channel, you can go to announcements. Now, announcements, just like the name suggests, is the place where you receive all the announcements related to everything that happens on this Discord server. And let me tell you, a lot of things happen on the Discord server, and you'll figure them out once you start chilling out here. So after announcements, you have a server tour, which is actually a place which gives you a tour of the whole server and tells you which information is available in which section. Then you have a section of commands and codes, which tells you all the necessary codes that are required to function smoothly in this Discord server. And then you find the most important channel for yourself. You look for the self-roles channel. Alright, now what is this self-roles channel about? Since you have participated in one of the bootcamps by Quollab, you need a channel for your respective bootcamp in this server. So what's going to happen is that when you come to self-roles and when you click on any of the emojis below this message, you get access to the bootcamp channel of that required bootcamp. So for example, if I have registered myself in marketing bootcamp, and I need to figure out how to get access to the marketing bootcamp channel on this Discord server, all I need to do is to find out that what is the emoticon for marketing bootcamp, which is M, because it says M is for marketing bootcamp. React to this if you are a member of present marketing bootcamp. Now I am a member of present marketing bootcamp, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on M and give attention. The moment I click on M, there's a channel unlocked. Magically one new channel appears, and it's the marketing bootcamp channel. Now what is in this marketing bootcamp channel? In this marketing bootcamp channel, you find the daily learning section where you can share your daily learnings. You have task and supporting material where you find all the material related to your tasks in the bootcamp and stuff like that. Then you have the feedback and leaderboard where you find feedback for your courses and the submissions that you have made and the leaderboard of your bootcamp. Then you have queries and learnings where you can ask queries related to your bootcamp and the courses that you're completing with Quollab. And then you have a random discussion space where you can discuss literally anything with your fellow bootcamp members. And the same thing works for all of the bootcamps offered by Quollab. So if I go again to self-roles and undo M, for example, I'm not a member of marketing bootcamp, but instead I'm a member of equity research experience project. So if I click on E, what do I get? I find in last a equity research experience project. So the orientation of these channels might differ, but the moment you click on any of the emojis, you find the respective bootcamp channel. Again, in the equity research experience project, you have daily learnings, task and supporting material, feedback and leaderboard, and your regulatory queries channel. So this is how this server can be used for all of those bootcamps that you all are attending. Now, apart from these all, there are a lot of things to do in the Discord server, for which you can check out our complete Discord server guide video that we also have uploaded on this server and on other platforms. So I hope you have a great time attending this bootcamp, and I hope this video tutorial helped you in understanding how this wizardry of Discord and Quollab Learning Community's Discord server works. Thanks a lot.